What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. I just wanted to show you. This is our generic fuel injection system service from JB Products. Rainman Ray keeps these in stock at his shop. It's affordable, but the price of this is actually high compared to what it used to be. But everything's high nowadays, right? Everything's expensive nowadays, Sierra. Oh, look at that. Whoa. That's right. So what we're doing this service on is this truck over here. Padlow's Perfect Painting. Been doing work for these guys for 18 years. He was getting this dealer maintained for the first part of its life, and then now he's here. We did the diffs last time he was here, some brakes. It's got a window that's not working on the left rear at 90K. We did a transfer case maintenance service today. Just trying to keep these cars on the road without costing the customer lots of money later on down the road, right? What's a transfer case cost today? $2 grand for a new one. A used one's probably a few $100s. Oh, you like that gun? What am I up to? So a while back, we advised this customer that it needs a new cat back. They just wanted a patch, and here we are 7 months later. Another section of the exhaust system let go, and they got some other areas they're getting ready to let go. They kind of said that we had some sloppy welds. Do you know what it's like welding in a shop with the wind blowing, the air blowing, crappy metal that is paper thin, contaminated, porous? No. Some people have no idea. A patch isn't a fix, everyone. A patch is a patch. Temporary repair.
Temporary repair.
Say that again.
A
patch is a temporary repair?
Yep.
You said it. I said it too. All right. Thanks for watching.